All right, so this video is for the beginners. If you're a newbie into affiliate marketing or you want to make your first commission on ClickBank, you guys watch this video all the way through, try to keep up with me, and I'm going to show you one of the best ways, and it's free. It's absolutely free. All it takes is time and you taking action every single day to make commissions and start earning money online. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go into ClickBank, create a ClickBank account if you haven't already. It takes like 2 minutes. And once you get in here, just go to Marketplace. We're going to be targeting the cooking, food, and wine niche. Now, I know this is outside of the health, wealth, and relationships, kind of the three key niches that people tend to gravitate towards. But this one, we're going to go for cooking, food, and wine. Why? Because on YouTube, cooking channels are absolutely massive and they get tons and tons of traffic, and not a lot of people target these particular channels on, they don't create channels on YouTube that really target this particular niche, right? So cooking, food, and wine. What you're going to want to do is, and you're going to notice, if you sort by gravity, the top 3 are keto products, right? These are 3 digital keto products at the top. This is really important because keto is selling. Keto is what's selling right now. It has the highest gravity and people are buying keto products, right? So if you go to YouTube and you type in keto recipes, you can see here, YouTube already gives you all of the keywords. It auto-fills the top 10 keywords, right? Keto recipes easy, keto recipes chicken, keto recipes dessert, keto recipes breakfast. All of the keywords are right there for you. You have your first 10 videos right there. All you need to do is find the videos, right? Put them together and then start posting videos on YouTube, and then taking your ClickBank affiliate and taking your products from ClickBank and placing them in the description, right? So all you need is organic traffic. Lots and lots of organic traffic watching your cooking videos. And then what's going to happen is you'll put your keto links in the description down below. And if people are interested in it, they'll click it. And if they go to the page and make a sale and buy the product, you'll make a sale, right? So you need the videos. So where are you going to get the videos? The videos are all over Instagram. All you have to do is type in hashtag recipe video. And when you get in here, there are literally hundreds and hundreds of thousands of videos. So you're going to need to rip these videos off of Instagram. Now, I'm not saying I want you guys to copyright, but what you guys are going to do is you're going to take these videos, you're going to create your own montage of cooking videos together in one video. You'll take 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 different videos, you'll put them together, and then you'll upload them. What you'll do is you'll keep track of all the videos that you guys are uploading, and you guys will make sure you guys give credit to the particular Instagram pages, right? Just put it in the description and just link all of their Instagram pages so that if people are interested, you can link it. You can have people linked back to these Instagram pages. So the Instagram pages will probably be less likely to hit you with a copyright infringement on those particular videos if you're giving them credit and they're actually getting more traffic to their Instagram page, right? So this right here, Pinch of Yum is a huge Instagram page. They have almost 1 million followers. They get tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of traffic every single day. And when they post these videos pretty much go viral. This video has 134,000 views. Can you imagine? It's just a day or 2 old and it has 134,000 views. So you can take these videos just like this one and you can combine it with other videos to make it your own, right? So how do you do that? It's super, super simple. All you have to do is take their Instagram URL. So we'll copy it and you'll go to gramsave.com, right? And then all you have to do is throw their URL in and then hit enter, and it will bring up all of their videos that you can download, every single one, right? So then all you'll have to do is when you're creating your video, you'll go into different Instagram pages, you'll pull different keto recipes, and this doesn't take very long, right? This could take you maybe 10 minutes and you could get at least 5 to 7 different recipes that you can stack together in a 5 to 10 minute video, and you can do it that way. So all you have to do is choose one of these videos, you'll click download, and just save it to your computer for when you're going to compile your video. So you're saying, well, I don't have any video editing software to do that. I got you. Don't even worry about it. So you can go to, there's lots of different video editing softwares out there. You can go to openshot.com. You can go to HitFilm Express. It's a free video editing software that you can use. And look, they've got 4.8 million people who have downloaded their software. It's completely free. I use Movavi. Movavi is free for like the first week or 2 weeks or a month. And then you end up having to pay like 30 or 40 bucks for their video editing software. It's what I started with a year ago. It works. It's really, really fast. It's easy to use, easy to learn. And it's something that if you guys are interested, it's movavi.com. It's definitely worthwhile if you guys are interested in using a video editing software and you want to pay for it. I'm not going to leave a link in the description or anything, right? So you're thinking, all right, so keto recipes, let's see, what kind of traffic are some of these pages getting, right? So here's keto cooking. So Ruled Me, right? So you want to see what kind of traffic some of these cooking pages are getting. So we'll look up Ruled Me and see. So not only are they getting major organic traffic to their website, but they're also YouTube monetized, right? These are large channels. And this cooking channel is earning an estimated, let's see. So their channel's actually doing pretty good, and their estimated earnings per week is not too bad. They're earning about anywhere between $1,000 to $10,000 in YouTube ad revenue. That's not even including any of the links that they probably have. So let's check out if they have any links in their description. Now, this is something any one of us can do, right? It only takes your time and it takes action every single day. You can't just post one video and expect that you're going to start making sales. You're going to start getting traffic and views to your channel. It doesn't work that way. YouTube needs to see you consistently post videos either once per day or 3 times a week over the course of a month, 2 months, 3 months. You may not get any traffic to your channel for the first 3 months or 6 months. It takes a lot of time, but once you get your SEO and you're able to get a lot of videos uploaded, I'm saying over 50 cooking videos, if you get these videos uploaded, eventually you will start getting traffic to your channel. And once you start getting traffic to your channel, you'll start making sales. But the reason why most people don't make sales with ClickBank is that they don't stick with the one thing that they're trying to get really good at, right? They actually they get shiny object syndrome, and they're over here and they're over there, and they want to, they're still not getting any sales. They don't know what's going on. Well, the reason is because you're not doing the one thing every single day. You have to get really good. If you're going to go free traffic, you got to get really good at making cooking videos and putting them on YouTube. And once you do that over the course of 3 to 6 months, I guarantee you will start getting sales. Guarantee it. Okay? So this channel gets 2.82 million views every 30 days, right? So that's really, really, really impressive. They only have 205 videos. So if you can really wrap your head around that, if you can commit yourself this year to making 150 videos, and you say, I don't care about the money, I'm just going to slam a bunch of videos together, I'm going to put as much content out as possible, and then I'm going to turn around in 6 months and I'm going to see where I'm at, right? And then you can kind of reevaluate your situation if you're not making any sales. Maybe there's some things you got to tweak. Maybe you need to work on your SEO. Maybe you need to work on your video editing skills, right? So you can see this channel is getting, they've got 250,000 subscribers and 205 videos up, and so their channel is well monetized. It's ad monetized. They're getting traffic. So if we go to some of their, overall guide to the keto diet, they've got 108,000 views, right? 108,000 people visiting, watching their video. So here they have their own, either blog or web page here, and you can see more keto recipes, knowledge, and tips on the website to keep your weight loss going strong. So I guarantee you, if you go back to their blog or their website, they're going to have either affiliate links or their own digital products that they're promoting, and they probably get tons and tons of traffic. Okay? So that's it for this video today. If you guys like this kind of content, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are already doing something very similar to this to try and get a ClickBank affiliate sales. I have a secondary channel that I use, Content Samurai. I use all different kinds of ways to generate videos, and I put them up, and I am getting traffic to my links in my description, and I don't have hardly any subscribers on my other YouTube channels. So just imagine if you had 248,000 subscribers and you built it up over a year or two, how much traffic you could get and how many sales you could get every single day. So remember, the key is you guys have to stick to the one thing. Be consistent, and don't look at whether you're making commissions or not for the first couple of months. And I know it's hard because you have to do a lot of work. But what I'm telling you guys is I've been there. I went months and months without making any commissions, and now I'm making commissions. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope it helped you guys out, and let me know. I'm here for you guys. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are using free and paid strategies, or if you guys are just all free strategies and you guys are having success. Okay? So I'll see you guys on the next video. Later.